Yeah, a lot of sand and a lot of water. It'll be 2 or 3 weeks before they get this cleaned up. Here we go. Going for a swim. Shit. Fucking stuck. Pretty thick in there.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, pretty deep, huh?
Well, it's not all that deep. It's
What
just
is it,
thick.
about a foot?
Yeah, maybe about a foot, but there's another foot of sand underneath it.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I got about halfway across and went.
I know.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm gonna do it.
Yeah.
It was funny. I came here. Last time I was here, it was all clear, and then I came back a couple days later. And there was logs here, and
yeah,
there was like 6 inches of sand.
And
I was like, what the hell happened?
25, 30-foot surf is what it was, yeah. And all,
man.
This berm used to go all the way across here a week ago. It's all out there in the flat now.
Look at the gap.
Yeah.
You can see the ocean.
Yeah, I live right there, and this is my